Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time. In today's video, I'm really excited because I actually had the amazing opportunity of winning Pandora Las Vegas giveaway on Instagram. So this will be an unboxing video sharing the charm that I won, which is just so crazy. So a huge thank you for Pandora Las Vegas for having this really fun giveaway. If you didn't know, the giveaway was a game of bingo and it was all Pandora related, which was like so fun for a Pandora collector to participate in, because you could be like, oh yeah, I have that charm, or oh, I definitely have done that, or have that, or did this. So it was just so much fun to participate in, and it was a complete shock to me that I actually won. I never, well, very rarely, I think the last time I won a giveaway was maybe when I was 8 years old. So I don't normally win giveaways, so it was completely unexpected and so crazy cool. I've actually never visited Vegas. So I've never been to the Pandora Vegas store, the outlet, but I would love to go. My friend Nicole, my Pretty Charm Life, she's gone a couple times. The same with my friend Daily Charm Addict, and they make it sound so amazing and such incredible service. So one day, hopefully soon, when things have kind of cleared up and things are looking a little bit better, I'd love to visit there. So thank you so much for such a fun game of bingo, and I'm so excited I won. Definitely make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea, and let's get started with the unboxing. So it's so sweet. They have this beautiful, like, it's kind of a blue ribbon detail with beautiful stars going through, and it says Pandora on the ribbon. It's so cute. Let me just kind of hold it out there so you guys can see. It's so pretty. And they also included a really sweet card and note, and on the back of the card it says Pandora Factory Outlet, Las Vegas, and my name, Emily. And I'll just show you here. So it has the cute little Pandora logo on it, and on the back it says Pandora, PandoraLV.com, so Pandora Las Vegas. And let's see a little note. It says, congratulations on winning our bingo contest. We hope you get to visit us in Las Vegas sometime soon. Stay safe and healthy. So there's the cute little note that they wrote me. That's so sweet. I love when people include a little note and card. That's just so sweet. Okay, I'm really excited. I've never seen this charm in person, so I'm so excited. So let's open the ribbon. They wrapped this so beautifully. I love the star paper. I'm almost sad to open it. It looks so pretty. So I'm gonna open it a little more carefully. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. Carefully, carefully. So I would love to know if you guys have ever visited the Pandora factory store. I think it'd be so cool to visit. I've never been to Vegas, as I mentioned, but I'd love to see some of the shows there and stuff. It sounds like so much fun. We're almost there, you guys. Oh my gosh. Here we go. So we have a cute little Pandora box, and there it is. Oh my goodness, can you spot it? I won the dice charm. I do not own this charm, and it is so special to win. So I love playing board games actually with my husband. It's one of our little pastimes and hobbies that we like to do together. So this totally represents that to me, with the little dice and lucky in love maybe. I just think it is so adorable. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful silver, so it's super shiny. And then it has beautiful little cubic zirconia accents representing the dots on the dice. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Pandora Las Vegas. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, just look at all the sparkle. I'm so excited to design with this. I have to think about where I want to put it, because it might be cute to put on. I kind of have this bracelet called Life is a Fairy Tale with You, so it might look cute on there, but I don't know if I have enough room on there. So stay tuned, because I will show you how I style this. Might even show you on Instagram. So if you're not following me, my Instagram is @fashionstoryteller, and Pandora Las Vegas also has an Instagram. Actually, I linked both of ours up on the top of the screen if you'd like to follow us. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me unbox this really adorable dice charm. Again, a huge thank you to Pandora Las Vegas Factory Outlet. This is so amazing of you guys. I'd love to know, as mentioned before, if any of you have actually visited the Pandora Las Vegas store. I think it would be such a cool experience to go there and see all the special charms, Pandora charms that they have. So anyway, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.